Burgers combine savory protein and carbohydrates for a major energy boost.
Fuel your body and power your day with this substantial, energy-dense meal.
Mangoes are packed with vitamin A and C, boosting your immunity and skin health. Experience sustained vitality, freshness, and inner health from this king of fruits. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein and dietary fiber. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that boost your skin glow and immunity. Feel a refreshing surge of energy and overall wellness from the power of natural tamarind.
Meat is packed with protein and iron.
Builds muscle strength and energy.